I'm trying out a new camera angle, don't ask why. It's just something that I do. So, welcome back to the channel. You know me, More Studios. So, this is my layout. As you can see, I changed camera. You're literally sitting on top of a fridge, like, you're literally on top of a fridge that we just have down here. Is there anything in it? No, it's empty. Hold on, let's realign that. There we go. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I actually do know what I know what I'm doing. Sort of. I'm gonna unbox the Bachmann Rusty for you guys. See? Wait, no price. I've got the Bachmann Rusty for you right here. I got it from America's Best. Traveled all the way there because I heard they had a great collection. And, you know, I'll just get into it when we unbox it. So, just unbox it. I'm just gonna leave. So if we move away from the giant die, we have Rusty. This is my first narrow gauge engine. He's HO scale, but he runs on an N scale track. But I'll get to that later. Like, probably goes, oh, really? Your layout doesn't have N scale track. Your layout's HO. We'll get to that in a minute. So he was on sale. Bought him for a few bucks. Quite a few bucks actually. So let's open him up. So here we have the Bachmann. I don't read that stuff, and that's gone. So, oh my gosh, the box, it has all the other narrow gauge engines you collect. There, they need to add. So they're gonna add Peter, Sam, and Yellow Rheneas, and then when he comes out to handle this year. So, I had it like. You guys are probably thinking like, oh, why'd you buy Rusty? There's two others. They didn't have Scarlo and Rheneas. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we'll get there. So yeah, this is Rusty. He's obviously a lot of time. He's heavy. He's pretty heavy. I don't have a balance or whatever you call those things. So good. He has the couplers. I just have this guy, so I couldn't afford any other. So let's put this box back together. We'll get a better look at him on the track, so let's head over to the track. So this is the new N scale area. I made this just for narrow gauge engines. It's on the west side of the layout, so on the side with the big stop. This is the outside loop right here, and you have the inner loop right in here. You can't see it. So we'll put Rusty on the track, and we'll get a good look at him. Just came off the track. His face looks pretty good. On the side, we have his name, and then we have his number. He's number 5. The underbody has the number and the license info and stuff. The couplers are like hook and loop. Now, I think the reason Bachmann made narrow gauge engines is because like a lot of people were motorizing Bondi Techs. He has a smokestack or whatever. He's not as diesel. He's a diesel Rusty. So I'm gonna put him on the track. Now the thing about this N scale area is here. I'll show you. I gotta be careful. It's one way. It's one way. That's how I'm gonna do it. And so I really don't have much I can do. So we will plug him in. He's already plugged in. Now this is just a temporary little switch thing. I don't like the clicky ones. So we'll see if this works. Yeah. Huh. It's very fast. I feel like it's like, I hope it doesn't like fly off the track at some point. So yeah. Oh, it's coming to the end. A lot of people say I'm not like really good at taking care of my tracks. Oh, whatever. I'm literally having the time. He's fine. He's okay. So I actually want to like do something. So this is like apparently HO scale, but it's like N scale track. So I'm gonna go grab an HO scale car, see if it's like any size difference, so I'll be right back. Okay, I got a HO scale, or an N scale boxcar, and they're literally, it's the same size, they're the same size. So this is just N scale, it's not HO scale, it's N scale. The box lied. So yeah, he's pretty good. It's a pretty good locomotive. I got it for a few bucks. It was a good splurge. I just feel like if I send him at full speed, he's gonna go tumbling off the track. So, this is like, I'll show you the sensitivity. So, here's the controller. We'll bring it back in frame. Look. It's like a launch. So, that's fun. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, do whatever you want. I'm losing it, and my friends aren't even here. Buy Bachmann products, even though they're like great. And also, I do apologize to you Kato fans. I'm losing subscribers because of what I said in the other video. If you say Kato, you're very, very smart. You're probably smarter than me. It's most likely. It's most likely. We're not gonna talk about it. So, thanks for watching. Bye. Buy a new camera.